Oh my goodness, this is so much fun to play with. You guys should try and play with this.
Really, this is nice.
It's
And
so
stretchy.
Stretchy.
This is stretchy.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Niknuks channel. I'm Taghti and today I'll be showing you how to make slime. So let's get started. So, we're back. And I'm going to be using liquid glue. And if you can see this is all the slimes I already made. Okay, don't worry about that. Let's just get started. Sorry about that, guys. I tried to open up the glue. It just won't work. Okay, I finally got it open. Okay, put that there. This is the thing that I'm gonna be putting my slime in, so I'm just gonna also make it in here. This is a lot of glue in here. Okay. I hope that's all the glue. I'm gonna wait like a bit. It's so cool how it just pours out glue. Comment down below who likes it when you guys making slime. Who likes it when they just push the glue and it farts. It's so funny. Okay, I think that's all of the glue. Put the lid back on. Put that aside. Come on, get my spoon. It's like a tiny spoon. Don't judge me. Okay, I just want to mix it a bit. It's already forming slime and I don't even didn't put activator in. Wow, that's amazing. For activator, I'm going to be using borax. So let me just add some activator. Okay. Oh wow, that's harsh. I don't mean to say harsh, but that's cool. Oh, this is coming together. I'm just going to quickly move these slimes to the side just in case I want to take the slime out. Ooh, poopy. I'm just going to carry on mixing this. I don't think I'm ready to use my hands. Add some more activator. And guys, you just want to add a bit of activator at a time, because if you add too much, your slime will be overactivated. Get over that now. It's still kind of sticky. I'm just gonna leave this little bit of glue inside the container. Put that aside. Spoon. Oh wow, this is amazing. I think it's a bit too sticky still. So, yeah, this is real sticky. I'm just gonna carry on working with it. Like, playing with it and stuff. So it's so nice when you click it though. Now I'm gonna take this one back, and I'm gonna now try and put this one in here in the container. in the container and try and get all of the glue that was in there out. Okay, I'm guessing all the glue's out because there's nothing in the container. But that's oh goodness, it's fitting my spoon. Oh, look at that, that's amazing. It's so bubbly though. I think because I was mixing it too fast. Okay. Ah, sticky. I'm just gonna go and quickly go and get my food coloring #makeup to go and to color the slime. Okay, I'm back and I got a makeup set. Okay, take that off. Okay, and I'm gonna break it into tiny pieces. I don't know if you can see, I already kind of used it. So, okay, I'm gonna just roll it out. Use my spoon to break it. That's one piece. There's another piece. Over there. Oh goodness. Roll this out. Another piece. Another piece. And another piece. This is kind of tiny, but who cares? Okay. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Let's see, what color am I gonna do this one? Start with this one first. Put these over there. Like over there, okay. Now let's play with this a bit. I wanna go for the shocking color wheel. I'm not gonna use a lot though. Okay. Oh wow, that's so beautiful. Can you guys see this nice, like, I'm just gonna make it a bit darker because it's too light. But it's getting there. Look at it. That's such a beautiful pink. I don't know if I should leave it at that, if I should, or should I make it darker? Okay, I'll just make it a bit darker than that. Okay, that's enough. Over there, that looks nice. Okay. Put that over there, nice pink one. Okay, now what color can I do with this one? Oh, look at this beautiful jade. I'm gonna use that. Just a teensy bit. Just a teensy bit. Okay, that's about enough. That's a nice color. It's like a nice light sky blue, but it's actually jade. Okay, put that aside. Take another one. What color could I make this? I wonder what this color is. Color this. It's like a darkish pink. I don't know. So let's try that out. Oops. Bro. Okay. See a bit more. Teensy bit more. Oh wow. I just threw all the colors out. That's so funny. I just use all of the colors, see what color it makes. I hope it doesn't make brown. Okay, this is a weird color. Okay. I'm gonna use a bit. Oh, I was about to use brown, but no, I forgot about that. Forget about that. Okay, I'm just gonna separate this out with my spoon, my beautiful pink tiny spoon. So funny, right? I'm like the lamest jokes. It's like a purple, pink, red color. Like a poopy color. Okay, let's do another color. Since Ziggy Pie wants me to do brown, maybe just do it. Let's crunch it up. Because you don't want no big chunks, do you? Okay, roll it in there. Just roll it in. Ew, on the hair. Oh, this looks like your Nutella. Nutella. Okay, that's all of the brown. That's how it looks. Like a poofy color. Like a dull brown color. This looks so terrible. But I'm liking it. Oh wow, that's a beautiful pink. Let me just use it. How about this beautiful light green over here? Nobody uses it, so just gotta use it. Okay. Okay. Got some green. Got light green. It's kind of turning into a brown because there's brown on the table. Okay, I'm gonna just do this last color. It's gonna be, what color could it be? What color could it be? Yeah, now I got yellow. How about this beautiful pink? Okay, think too much. Okay. Flatten it up like that. you just collect all of that. This is the last slime. And then collect more. Oh, this is a beautiful pink. I just love this. It's like a bubblegum color. Like, yeah. Okay, that's it for the video. This is all of my slimes that I made. And I hope you try this at home. And tell me down in the comment down below if yours worked. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun to play with. You guys should try and play with this.
Really, this is nice.
It's
And
so
stretchy.
stretchy.
This is stretchy.
Can I click? Oh, okay, I'm gonna click some table. Can I see you guys? Can you see me? My eyes big. Oh, easy. And it comes off your hands real quick.
Real quick. It's very fast to come
I'm
off
gonna
your
make
hand.
a
You need to
swirl.
be very quick for it to come off your hand.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.